Craving classic Chinese comfort food in Binondo? King Chef is one of those places na pang family, pang celebration at pang food coma. Kumain kami sa kanilang branch sa Lucky Chinatown Mall at ito yung mga in-order namin. Siyempre, inuna namin ang sweet and sour pork. Crispy outside, tender inside, not the typical pero okay naman yung tamis-asim. Plus point sa Lohan Chai. Fresh, balanced at perfect pang reset between bites. Siyempre, Yang Chow Fried Rice. Buhaghag, malasa at bagay sa lahat kahit medyo kulang sa wok hei. Siyempre, may dim sum tayo. Hakaw na juicy, translucent at puno talaga ng hipon. Siomai na malaman. Bean curd roll na satisfying at paborito ko. Chewy and crispy na ham soy coke, solid dim sum vibes. Siyempre, may taro puff na paborito ni Mommy Bianca. Lightly crispy at very creamy. At itong Beijing pan-fried kuchay pao na bago pero masarap. Don't miss the Chu Chow fish with prawn rolls. Crispy, savory at super comforting. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng reliable at very consistent na restaurant sa Binondo, King Chef sa Lucky Chinatown Mall is a must try. Save this for your next Binondo food trip. That's it. Thank you for watching.